All right, y'all. So I have looked it up, this information for y'all so you can understand better the job of a legal process server, which is what I am. Surprise! I've been doing this for a year now. You know, the person that goes, "You've been served." I mean, I don't say that. That's so cliche. I try to be like the friendliest legal process server out there. I want to, not disappoint them. Like, if anybody's going to serve them, I hope it's somebody that tries to brighten their day or make them have like a not so crappy experience. And these serves are usually like credit card debt, divorces, states, like somebody died. So the definition and purpose: a legal process server serves a critical function within the legal system, acting as an unbiased messenger who delivers essential legal documents to individuals, businesses, or their representatives. Their primary purpose is to notify parties involved in court matters of pending actions against them by physically delivering these official papers, such as summons and subpoenas, conducting skip tracing and investigations. Process servers are often required to conduct investigations in order to locate individuals who need legal papers served. This is called skip tracing, and it involves using various resources and techniques such as public records, credit reports, social media accounts, and interviews with neighbors or colleagues to find a person's location. Now, this one's very important for those who try avoiding service. Okay, listen up. The right to refuse service. As a recipient of legal documents, you have the right to refuse service from a process server. However, it's important to understand that this doesn't necessarily make the legal matter go away. Surprising. It's also crucial to note that refusing service does not mean you can avoid facing the legal matter altogether. Once a court case has been filed and pending matters require attention from an opposing party, avoiding service could result in severe consequences, such as fines or even arrest. There's more. Consequences of avoiding service. Avoiding service of legal documents has serious consequences. If a recipient chooses to ignore or evade the process server's attempts at serving them, it could result in a default judgment against them. This means that the opposing party can win the case by default, without any argument from the individual who avoided service. It is important to note that ignoring process servers will not make the problem go away. By avoiding service, recipients are only delaying their inevitable involvement in the legal matter. So, please answer the door, or at least look out the window to see who it is. I drive my She's Handy car around for this reason, so you can see my business name, my phone number. Please text me. And I can't always leave a note. Some of these aren't allowed to leave notes. I don't know why. And then when people are like, "Why didn't you call me?" I don't have your phone number. We don't always have that. Apparently, it's not very public information. They couldn't find it. So, yeah, it would be lovely to get your phone number, but that's why I advertise my phone number on my cards. I'm just your friendly local process server trying to do her job. That's it. And I'd like to add that these addresses that me and other legal process servers receive, they're not always accurate, okay? We are just assuming that is their current address. Sometimes they move and they don't put their current address in the system, and we have to figure that out. So sometimes we attempt 5 different addresses, and these people are wondering, what the heck are we doing at their house? Yeah. So not every house I go to is actually being served. It just happens to be part of the process of elimination.